Hey everyone, if you're working on growing your website, YouTube channel, or online business, one of the most important things you need is a strong keyword research. Keywords tell you what your audience is searching for, what topics are popular, and how competitive different searches are. But choosing the right keyword tool can be confusing, especially when there are so many options available. Today, we are going to compare two popular keyword research tools, Semrush and SpyFu. And we will help you to understand which one might be better option for your needs. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow your online presence without any confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check out the link from description for direct access to these platforms. By using the description link, any free trial or special offer that will be applied automatically. So you can start trying them without any hassle or extra steps. Now, let's begin with the SpyFu first. SpyFu is known for making competitor research simple. If you want to know what your competitors are ranking for in search engine, SpyFu shows you that in a very clear way. For example, you can type in a computer website and SpyFu will show you the keywords they rank for, how much traffic they get from those keywords, and even how much they might be spending on the paid ads. This is useful if you want the ideas for keywords you have not thought of yet or want to find the gaps in your competition's strategy. SpyFu also shows you the historical keyword data, which means you can see how trends have changed over time. For someone who is just starting with keyword research, this can help you to avoid the very competitive keywords and find easier opportunities. The interface is simple and focused, which makes it beginner friendly. However, while SpyFu offers the valuable insights, some of its advanced features are not as powerful as larger tools when it comes to deep keyword analysis or site auditing. Now let's take a look on Semrush. Semrush is one of the most capable or complete all-in-one marketing tools available on the market. It covers keyword research, site audit, rank tracking, backlink analysis, content ideas, and much more. For keyword research, specifically, SEMrush provides very detailed metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, related keyword suggestions, trend data, even questions that people ask related to the keyword. These help you to find not just a few keywords but entire clusters of topic that you can target. For example, if you search for a topic like freelance tips, SEMrush will show you not only how often people search for the keyword but also similar searches, long tail keywords, and related questions. This makes it easier to create the content that matches what your audience actually wants to find. SEMrush also includes a powerful site auditing tool that shows you how well your website is optimized and offers suggestions for improvement. So one of the main differences between these two tools is scope. SpyFu focuses heavily on competitor research and making that process simple and direct. You can quickly see what keywords other sites are ranking for and get ideas from that. SEMrush goes deeper into the keyword research with more metrics, more suggestion, and additional tools that help you with SEO planning, content marketing, and site health. Another area where SEMrush has the edge is the integration. SEMrush connects with Google Analytics and Google Search Console, which help you to pull the real-world data from your own site into the tool. This makes the tracking your progress and optimizing your content more effective. SpyFu's reporting is helpful for competitor research, but it doesn't integrate as deeply with your own analytics data. Pricing is something to keep in mind as well. Basically, if I talk about the SpyFu first, it tends to be more affordable for small business owners or beginners who want entry-level keyword research and competitor insights. SEMrush, because of its broader feature set, may come with a higher monthly cost, but that cost includes the powerful SEO auditing, content tools, keyword clusters, trend analysis, and many more. If you are serious about growing your organic presence and want a tool that scale with your progress, then Semrush may be a good option for you for your long-term value. In simple term, if you want easy competitor keyword research and clear insights into what others are doing, then SpyFu is a solid option. But if you want the advanced keyword research, content planning ideas, SEO health auditing, and deeper integration with your own analysis or analytics, SEMrush is more powerful and very future proof. So thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech. I hope this comparison helped you better understand the differences between SEMrush and SpyFu. Make sure to like this video and share it with other people or the creator or small business owners who are building their online presence. Don't forget to subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more practical and honest videos or tutorial like this, and check the link from description for the direct access to these tools and any free trial for offers that will be applied automatically. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.